I can change the way you look at your RV's water in 2 minutes.
Stick around to the end of the video so you can find out how you can win your own water filtration system from Beech Lane. We've always been hesitant of campground water, and we've always run a single filter from the faucet to the camper. However, we still would never use the campground water other than washing our hands, flushing the toilet, or taking a shower. Enter the Beech Lane water filtration system. This thing is a fraction of the price as its competitors, and it works just as good, if not better. It came with clear directions. It said to clean it out before you installed it, so you want to make sure you get rid of any dust, any kind of possible plastic, anything like that, just to make sure that it's all clean and good to go. Installation was so simple. I just went to the back of my camper because I really don't have room to put it anywhere else. So I put it on my bumper, and I want to take it off whenever we travel. So I set it up to where there are 2 bolts that are level. And then all I can do is put it on and take it off, hook up my hoses, turn on the water, and then I got fresh, clean water that's suitable for drinking in our camper.
So as you see, the water is totally clear. Tastes good. Doesn't have a funny smell to it. Don't smell any iron, any must, anything like that. This water filter system is a game changer. We have partnered with Beech Lane to give away a water filtration system. I'll have some more information on that down below. It will be a cross-platform contest. It's only sponsored by us, and the prize is provided by Beech Lane.